Hi, my name is Eric Landis. I'm the product manager for the Outback division at Keystone RV. Today I'd like to highlight Outback's ceiling. One of the key features for our ceiling is the fact that we utilize a galvanized stamped steel truss, which is an arched system. It allows us to have a 7-foot ceiling height, ultimately making this travel trailer feel that much larger. Another key element for us is our LED puck lights that are all controlled on a switch, but also if you want to turn one off, you can. Each puck light is individually controlled. Another key feature for us on our island units is a skylight. Not only is it aesthetically appealing, you have individual lights here that you can turn off and on, but it allows natural light. And if that light is too much for you, how cool is it that you can pull the shade and you're taken care of. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.